Ooni Karu 16 is a powerful multi-fuel pizza oven that reaches 950 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes. The perfect temperature to cook true Neapolitan style pizza in just 60 seconds. Ooni Karu's 16 shell is insulated with a thick layer of ceramic fiber insulation and boasts the largest internal oven height and volume of any Ooni oven. One defining feature of Ooni Karu 16 is this gorgeous door with borosilicate glass attached with cast aluminium drop-down hinges. V-Flame technology in Karu 16 helps you keep an eye on your creations and ensures that the door stays cleaner for longer, so you can see your pizza cooking while retaining heat within the oven. This oven offers the most versatile Ooni outdoor cooking experience and brings advanced technology to your pizza party.